My name is Matthew Savage and I'm an engineering technician. I work for MBDA Missile Systems. Well, leaving school, I was always interested in engineering, and so I looked around thinking, where could I go? Should I go to uni or should I go to a company? And I looked around and I seen that MBDA was quite local to me, and it had a good reputation as a company. At university, obviously, you can get a lot of knowledge and intelligence from the technical side, but for me, I wanted to get involved in the hands-on experience, so getting involved with a soldering iron and putting components together and working on documents rather than just sitting in a classroom and looking at all the technical side. In secondary school, the subjects I enjoyed and I was most interested in was maths and science. I looked at what subjects would be involved in several careers and thought that maths and science was an engineering role, so I looked at that and what that job would involve, and it really interested me. My dad's operations manager at Southport train station, and my mum's a college lecturer. As my dad always tells me, I was always taking things apart and putting them back together. So when I said that I fancied doing engineering, he said, well, do what you want, that's a good profession. There's a shortage of them, so it'd be a good future career prospects. Well, first day I was coming in and I didn't really know what to expect. It's the first time I'd been involved in a proper company other than work experience at school. And just the technology they were showing and the complexity of what the missile is, etc. It was a bit, put me back, and then I was like, I'm glad to be involved in all this. In your first year, you're getting involved in a lot of the hands-on work, so you're on the shop floor basically putting the units together and working with the supervisor, and he'll talk you through what to do. He'll go through the documentation and you'll do the jobs and actually get hands-on soldering and playing with the circuit boards. And then you progress through and you become more of the engineering role, where you'll look at the drawings, the documentation, putting that down into plannings, etc., to show the people on the shop floor how to do it. And it's progressed from there. You do a lot of different placements to get a full knowledge of the business and all the different aspects of engineering, because you've not just got test engineering or production engineering, there's also manufacturing engineering also. As you progress through your 4 years, you'll get an idea of what you want to do when you come out of your time, and you'll discuss this with the apprentice manager and express your feelings to say, I really would like to go in this placement. And then they'll work the business to see if they can meet your needs. So for me, I was really interested in manufacturing engineering, and thankfully that's the placement I'm currently in, and that's where I'll be coming out my time. At times it's hard trying to balance both, but if you get enough time to do it when you go to college, etc., and then through your weeknights you get to do it. But it's not overloading, but it is quite hard, but it's okay. Well, for myself, as I said, I will get the qualifications I need to give me a good foundation for the future of intelligence, and then I'll continue to work in the company to get the hands-on experience, and that'll give me the opportunity to go wherever I want in the company. With the first year, and you was doing the hands-on experience, I enjoyed it, but it wasn't exactly what I wanted to be doing. And when I moved into the second year, and this was the manufacturing engineering side, so this was getting the information from the design team and taking that and putting it into plannings to show the operators how to do it, and then looking at the dimensions, etc., and trying to put that into one whole document. And that was something I really enjoyed, and when I started taking this on, I thought, this is really what I want to be doing. I coach a kids' football team, which this apprenticeship has actually helped me do, with giving me the confidence to do that. We had a quite successful season last season, finished second. If it's something you enjoy, maths and science, etc., it really is a good career to get involved in. The hands-on experience as well as technical side, it's quite interesting. There's never a minute where you're going to be bored, because this is exciting every day. It's something different every day. There's always a challenge on. This is something that really interests me, so I'm not stuck in a job that I don't want to be in.